So to get started, let's first try to understand the concept of exceptions a bit more. Like I mentioned in the introduction, no matter how much we try, we will fail at catching all types of errors in the code we write. Errors can and will occur while applications are executing. We can think of an error as any problem that may occur and will prohibit the application from executing normally. In most cases, these errors will cause an application crash, which of course is a bad experience for the user of our application. Different things can cause our application to fail. Maybe we have failed to validate user input, and that user may have entered a 0. If we then use that value in a division, we'll get an error, since we're trying to divide by 0. By no means can the compiler catch this, so this will be a runtime exception. But sometimes the error that will occur will be completely out of our control. A file we may want to write to may be locked by the operating system, or the user trying to access the file may not have the required permissions to do so. Or a database we want to access might be unavailable because of a power outage in the data center. We can go on and on and on. The list of possible causes is pretty long. If we don't take any action in our code while running our application from Visual Studio with the debugger attached, we'll get the experience that you see here. Visual Studio will break on the line that caused the error, and it'll show exception details. We have already seen this when we were learning about the debugger. If, however, we run the application without the debugger attached, the application will just crash, without any useful information for the end user. There must be a better way to handle this.